Morning. I am K. Pallavel, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today, going to the topic Fourier series for demand forecasting in industry case study. Introduction. The role of demand forecasting has become increasingly important with businesses. Maximization of customer service and the optimization of capital investment operating cost as their main objectives. Demand forecasting is also considered key to effective supply chain management. The complexity of this problem may push companies to purchase specific software such as forecasting decision support system. Next, forecasting approaches can be divided into qualitative and quantitative methods. We focus on quantitative methods based on the study of historical time series. Fashion industry providing successful results in sales prediction includes two-stage dynamic sales forecasting models. Recent studies focused on fashion firms in analyzing brand value, organizational innovation, production efficiency, increasing and improvements in logistic process. Methodology. This one is presents both the methodology and the step-by-step procedure used to apply FFT historical time series to forecast the sales in detail. In the next one is results providing the effectiveness of the suggested approach are shown by analyzing a fashion company's data. Microsoft Excel software is able to compute FFT on a data vector. Microsoft Excel is not primarily conceived to perform such mathematical analysis. Next, methodology content. Examples of periodograms generated from different signals is shown. Each and every signals are shown here. Procedure to attain an accurate forecast through Fourier analysis is employed as follows. Extract the historical series of data related to the item to be analyzed over a significant time interval. Divide the data into two subsets, a calibration dataset and a validation dataset, which allows the quality of the results to be analyzed. The calibration set should be composed of n values. Calculate a linear trend of the series of the calibration set and subtract it from the data series. Calculate the FFT on the de-trended data. The Fourier analysis tool gives the range of complex numbers. Create a frequency spectrum by calculating for each of the first n/2 components their amplitude and phase. Procedure to attain an accurate forecast through Fourier analysis is employed as follows. Except for F components in a decreasing order of amplitude. Perform the inverse Fourier transform n/2 times, taking into account of each n/2 components progressively, starting from F up to the n/2th. Reapply the eliminated trend calculated in step 3 to each of the n/2 inverse Fourier transform. Compare the validation dataset with each the n/2 inverse Fourier transforms. Calculating the forecast error with the performed method. Choose the most appropriate number of wave components to consider in order to minimize error. Application to fashion products. To calculate the sales forecast to the medium to large, analyst Italian fashion company operating the women's textiles, apparel and cloth sectors. Two examples are presented here, the trolley subcategory and the belt subcategory. The historical series included the calibration dataset and the validation dataset. The forecast parameter in exponential smoothing was chosen in a different way in each case by using that returned. The trolley subcategories diagrams is here. Calibration data set, the subcategory is L zone, forecasting results definitions below. The belt subcategory results are shown. Finally, going to conclusion. Accurate forecasts are extremely difficult to attain. However, common spreadsheets do not support only basic techniques. For distance, the Fourier transform, which has been widely used and applied in many fields ranging. Fourier analysis has been used to forecasting changes in electricity demand and or prices. However, it seems to be only rarely applied in consumer goods sales forecasting, and no contribution seems to be present in the literature for forecasting consumer goods sales, specifically in the fashion industry. Fashion company operating in the women textiles, apparel, clothing sectors distributes 2,500 products to more than 200 shops. Fourier analysis yielded a smaller error. Both the terms map and MAD combined into the two classical techniques. However, it is the study approach was intentionally described in its simplest form in order to provide the solid foundation both for researcher and practitioner. Thank you for watching.